The rain poured heavily over the glittering city as billionaire Ethan Blackwood stepped out of his luxury limousine and looked at the bright lights of his penthouse tower. At only 35 years old, Ethan had everything money could buy: private jets, luxury cars, successful companies, and worldwide fame. Yet there was one thing he could never seem to find: a woman who genuinely cared about him rather than his fortune. Over the years, he had been betrayed, manipulated, and deceived by people who saw only the billions attached to his name. Tired of fake smiles and hidden motives, Ethan decided to conduct an unusual test. He wanted to discover whether kindness and loyalty still existed in a world obsessed with wealth. That evening, he planned an experiment involving 3 women who had recently entered his life. The first was Vanessa, a glamorous socialite who constantly talked about luxury vacations and designer brands. The second was Sophia, a successful influencer who proudly claimed she valued character more than money. The third was Mia, a quiet maid who worked at his penthouse and rarely spoke unless necessary. Ethan suspected that the answers he sought would reveal themselves when nobody believed he was watching. Late that night, Ethan changed into wrinkled clothes, poured a little water mixed with alcohol on his shirt to create the smell of liquor, and deliberately acted intoxicated. He staggered into the lobby where Vanessa was waiting after insisting she wanted to spend the evening with him. The moment she saw him stumbling and slurring his words, her expression changed. Instead of concern, irritation filled her face. "Ethan, are you serious?" she snapped. "You look terrible." Pretending to lose balance, Ethan leaned against a wall and muttered that he wasn't feeling well. Vanessa stepped back as if he were an embarrassment. She checked her reflection in her phone and sighed dramatically. "I can't be seen like this with you," she complained. "People know who you are." When Ethan appeared unable to stand properly, Vanessa simply called a driver, told him to handle the situation, and left without another glance. Hidden security cameras captured every moment. Ethan watched later and felt disappointed but not surprised. Vanessa loved the billionaire image, not the men behind it. 2 days later, Ethan arranged the second test with Sophia. She often spoke about compassion and authenticity on social media, attracting millions of followers with motivational speeches. Ethan wondered whether her actions matched her words. That evening he appeared outside an upscale restaurant where Sophia was dining with friends. Again pretending to be drunk, he stumbled toward her table. Sophia's smile immediately vanished. Her friends exchanged uncomfortable looks. Ethan asked for help getting home, acting confused and vulnerable. Sophia lowered her voice and whispered angrily, "You're embarrassing me." Concerned more about her image than his condition, she instructed restaurant staff to remove him from the area. Her friends laughed nervously while she apologized to them for the disturbance. Not once did she ask whether he was hurt or needed medical attention. As Ethan watched the footage later, he shook his head. The woman who inspired millions online had failed a simple test of humanity. Now only one person remained, Mia, the maid. Unlike the others, Mia never asked questions about Ethan's wealth. She quietly completed her work, treated everyone respectfully, and often stayed late to help elderly staff members. Yet Ethan knew very little about her personal life. One stormy evening he returned to the penthouse and began the final test. He entered through a side door and collapsed dramatically near the hallway. Moments later, Mia discovered him lying on the floor. Her reaction was immediate. "Mr. Blackwood," she cried as she rushed toward him. She knelt beside him and gently checked whether he was conscious. Seeing his apparent condition, she struggled to lift him but refused to leave him alone. She brought water, a blanket, and a first aid kit. For nearly an hour she remained by his side, making sure he was breathing comfortably. She even canceled her ride home despite knowing she would have to walk several miles in the rain afterward. As Ethan continued his act, he listened carefully to everything she said. Mia never complained. Instead, she spoke softly, encouraging him to rest and recover. At one point she looked at his sleeping face and whispered something that surprised him. "Money can't protect people from loneliness," she said. "I hope you're okay." There was no audience, no cameras she knew about, and nothing to gain. Her concern was genuine. Later that night, Ethan pretended to wake up. Mia immediately offered him soup she had prepared herself and asked if he wanted a doctor. Ethan thanked her and asked why she cared so much. Mia smiled gently. "Because you're a human being," she replied. If someone is struggling, they deserve kindness. Those simple words struck Ethan harder than any business negotiation he had ever experienced. The next morning Ethan reviewed the recordings from all 3 tests. The contrast was undeniable. 2 women had abandoned him the moment they thought he was weak and vulnerable. One woman with the least status and wealth had shown the greatest compassion. Ethan decided he needed to know more about Mia. Over the following weeks he spent time talking with her. He learned that she worked multiple jobs to support her younger brother through college after their parents had passed away. Despite facing hardship, she remained optimistic and generous. She volunteered at local shelters and regularly helped neighbors in need. The more Ethan learned, the more he admired her character. Several months later Ethan organized a formal charity gala attended by influential guests from around the world. Vanessa and Sophia were both present, hoping to strengthen their connections with the billionaire. During the evening Ethan stepped onto the stage and addressed the crowd. He spoke about success, integrity, and the importance of judging people by their actions rather than appearances. Then he revealed the truth about the tests he had conducted. The room fell silent as videos from the 3 evenings played on giant screens. Shock spread across the audience. Vanessa and Sophia sat frozen while guests whispered among themselves. Finally, Ethan invited Mia onto the stage. Nervous and confused, she walked forward. Ethan smiled and thanked her publicly for demonstrating genuine kindness when nobody was watching. The audience erupted into applause. Looking directly at Mia, Ethan announced that he would be funding educational scholarships in her parents' honor and promoting her to oversee several charitable initiatives within his company. Tears filled her eyes as she struggled to process the moment. For the first time in years, Ethan felt he had found someone whose heart was untouched by greed. The lesson spread far beyond the ballroom that night. True character is revealed not when people are being watched, but when they believe no reward awaits them. Wealth can attract attention, admiration, and even affection, but only kindness reveals the worth of a person's soul. And among all the people Ethan had met, it was the humble maid who passed the test that nobody knew existed.